There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby, sing on back.
Hello YouTube, hey, it's me again. It's not really a bench cleaning video. It's a video where I put all these things back in the box and talk trash until I get to the point that I want to get at. But basically what I'm doing today is came in my garage. I took a couple of days off from making videos. New baby. We had a boy. He was 8 pounds 13 ounces, almost a 9-pound baby, which is awesome. Spent a whole 24 hours at the hospital, and they discharged my wife, so he took a couple days off to relax. I didn't make any videos, just taking care of the baby, watching him eat, shit, and sleep, and do what babies do. So it's been fun. It's funny how you forget how tired your arm gets when holding a baby for non-stop, and how they like to try to like eat your shoulder and all this other stuff. So it's kind of funny. The baby's like, because I got what, this is the 4th kid, so I've been through the same thing, what, 3 previous times. So it's like you just kind of go on like auto mode, pick him up, and gotta change his diapers 500 fucking times, and have to go get more diapers, and gotta get the diaper rash cream and all that good stuff, and wipe the kid's ass a million times. And it sucks when they get a rash though. These poor kids. I mean, I don't know what's up with, and you got to figure out like the poor kid. He's like not even a week old and got a crazy diaper rash, and her ass gets all red, and it's like, it's just, and it doesn't seem like. It seems like no matter what you do, it just won't go away. Like the poor kid is just like doomed. And then you find out it's a different kind of diapers that is wrong and stuff. So it's, yeah. Other than that, we've been enjoying that. So yeah, I thought I'd just let you know about that. I did pick up a few odd things that I need. I'm in work mode. I'm in here right now. Like I said, I got to get some screws. I'm putting a door on my house, and I'm not recording my house because I'm sure there's 40,000 videos on how to fucking install a door. Which, you know what? It's basically a door for a room full of junk. Got to put a lock on it to keep my kids out. And so in the meantime, I went up the road to pick up, what'd I get? I had to get a door frame kit. I needed some new hinges and a door handle, and lo and behold, I forgot the door already had a handle on it. So I gotta change it out anyway, because it doesn't have a lock. Somebody gave me 2 doors, perfectly good interior doors. And that's pretty much it for this week. I'm gonna do another little video next. I'm gonna stop this one here and do a little video on something I picked up because I needed a few things for the Wilton vise. This Wilton vise is taking forever because I keep doing other stuff, and I'm waiting for a few things. Like I want to thread the jaws on it, but I need to learn how to tap and thread it and all this shit. So, or I might just put pins and fucking JB weld the goddamn thing in there, whatever works. So anyway, or super glue the damn thing so we can heat it up and pop it out. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, subscribe. And that's it pretty much. Thanks.